Alright, so in this video tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to design this for a wristwatch brand. Okay, this is a business flyer, so I'll be showing you how I was able to design this using Pixellab. Okay, right, first of all I'm going to save this as a project. I will save it as a project and start from scratch. So wristwatch. Now when you open your Pixellab app, this is actually a pro version of Pixellab, but there's not much difference between this app and the one you can download from Play Store. Yes, just that this one have some templates, but I don't use this. Me designers don't use this. Okay, people that actually use this are people that like black stuff, so you can actually download the one from Play Store and be using it, right? There's no much different from the one on Play Store and this one. This is Pixellab Ultra Dark, while the one on Play Store is just Pixellab. Okay, now when you open the Pixellab app, this is how the interface looks like. When you open it for the first time, this is how it looks like, and then you delete this default. Sorry, delete it from here. For total beginners, you can't just jump and start designing. No, I will send the introduction to Pixellab, so you master the tools in this app, all right, so that you get familiar with some tools in this app and how they work. All right, now first of all I'm going to change the size. Click on these three dots, click on image size and change it to 1080. Mark it, and then the height I'm going to change it to 1350. Okay, all right, now go to this place. This is for the background, this is for shapes, image, and this is for alphabet letters. All right, now I'll click here, click on color and pick just white color, no, black color. Click on plus icon at the top, click from gallery. I'm going to import the background we'll be using for this particular design. This is the background. Now I will tap here because I want this white stuff to be at this side, not here. Right, once you are done, pick this size. It doesn't matter, you can just leave it that way, but I'm going to pick this size, 3:4. Right, increase the size, come here to shape, copy it, delete this other one so it will retain its quality. Whenever you want to increase any shape or anything at all, even text, always use one place. Don't try to stretch it from here or stretch it from here. No, you're going to make a very big mistake. I'll just tap on redo button. All right, now go to relative position and position this very well. Mark it, then lock it. We are good. Now the next thing is to import the design we'll be replicating. All right, I don't have to write this somewhere. I'll just be looking at it the way it is here and be designing it. Then first of all, you are going to make use of this grid line on top. I've already set it this way. That's why you are seeing it like this. But when you open it for the first time, what you'll be seeing is this one will be here, this one will be here. This is how it's going to look like. So I always love alignment. All my tests, everything, we always look organized and well aligned. All right, and this is how I do it. Click here. As you tap this one, click here, make it 10. Okay, now tap on this one, adjust it, make it 90. All right, we are good. The next thing to do is to add um position our this thing, sorry, to add this stuff, this yellow stuff you are seeing here. So tap here, change it to a circle and adjust it, make it big, something like this. Okay, place it here. Now if you want to create this kind of color, click on plus icon and choose color from here. This is the color I'll be choosing, but the yellow is too much. I want it to be gold, like soft color, you get, because we are talking about luxury. The reason why I use black color is because white black colors give the feel the feeling of luxury stuff. And when you watch the headline, it is refined luxury wristwatch. That's why I made use of a black background, so it will align with the headline, you get. Now I'll just good. This is what I'm looking for. Now this is the color code. You can copy it, FFD45F. Okay, now the next thing I'm gonna do is to create a shape, a square shape, reduce the size, place it here. Don't try to touch here or here, just from here you increase the size, increase the labels to 5, or I mean to 10, just 10. Mark it, then copy it, place it here. Copy another one, paste it here. Copy another one, paste it here. Right, we are good. Once you are done, lock it to avoid distraction. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Then the next thing we are going to do is to add this big stuff. Add it. Click on plus icon from gallery. I'm going to import it right away. Mark it. Then increase the size. Something like this. Copy it and delete the previous one. Place this one here. Okay. Something like this. Now go to color filter. Adjust the color. Let's use brightness, contrast, 13 and contrast 7. Good. Now I'm going to lock it and import the big wristwatch. This is the big wristwatch. Import it, place it here, and reduce the size. It doesn't have to be so big. Wait, I'll just place it here. Alright, now move down to color filter again. Increase the saturation to 10. Mark it. Move down to this, move down to position and adjust it. Then you lock the element. Sorry, yeah, the element. Okay, now the next thing we are going to do is to add images. Add it. Okay, click on this place, move down to texture, click here and choose any image. Good. Now the next one, come down to texture, choose any wristwatch from here, or pick this one. Okay. Now the other one, just tap here. Once you tap here, you're already on that particular one. Okay. Now tap on image, choose another wristwatch. I will choose this one. Mark it. Good. Now the last one is this texture. I'll select a wristwatch. Another one. Let's go for this. Mark it. Now I'm going to add a stroke, just a little stroke, white stroke. Make it one. Then the other one, move down to stroke, enable it, reduce it to 1. Then the next one is this, move down to stroke, reduce it to 1. I mean the stroke width, make it 1. And then this, move down to stroke, enable it, reduce the stroke width to 1. Good. Now the next thing we are going to do is to write, okay, I'll add a square shape. Click on plus icon, click on shape, then bring it down to this point. Remember our guideline, okay, so you don't cross that part. We are trying to make everything aligned, well aligned, okay, and organized. Increase the radius to 5. 5 is okay. Make it black. Increase it a little. Mark it. Now we are going to press hold this. Press hold it. I want it to be at the back of this big stuff, right? Good. Now the next thing is to add this shape, but before that I would like to bring this down. This this four wristwatch, I'll bring it down so we can have enough space for other information that needs to be on this flyer, right? Something like this is okay. I'll adjust this one, this big stuff. I will tap here and tap on position, adjust it a little. Okay, now the next thing we are going to add is this shape you are seeing here. I'm going to add it somewhere here. Click on plus icon, click on shape, tap on the guideline to make sure that it is well aligned. Reduce the size of this one. Do something simple. Increase the radius. This radius is to make the edges to be curved, okay, so that it won't have a very sharp edge, right? So I'll just leave it at 10, no, at 8. Right, now change the color to this particular color that we made use of at this part. I'll just tap here. We are good. I'll click another shape, click on this plus icon, click on shape, reduce the size, increase the radius to like 7. Okay, mark it. Now I want to add a little shadow to make it realistic. Move down to shadow, enable it. Come down to offset Y. 15 is okay. Go to blur radius, enable it. Increase it to 25. Then click on this plus icon and reduce the color. Okay, you can see. You can see. Yeah. I don't want it to be much. I'll just reduce the shadow a little more. Good. Now, the next thing you're going to do is to add the details that are here. Okay. Click on to front. I want it to be at the front. So I will increase the size and be able to see the details on the flyer. Tap on plus icon. Tap on, okay, go to alphabet. Click on A to edit it. Click on edit, delete it and write the necessary things that are needed here. Refined um, luxury. Refined luxury what again? Um, wristwatch. Change it to capital letter. Okay. Move down to font. This is the font on Play Store, but this is the font I'm going to make use of. I'll go to my font. These are the fonts I imported and installed on my Pixellab app. Um, bricolage, bricolage. I'm looking. Yeah, this is it. So I will just choose extra bold. Okay, increase the size. Increase the size. Increase the size to like 50. Mark it. Now move down to line spacing. 15 is okay. Move this, move it up to go to position. This, go to position and adjust it. Something like this. Good. I will lock it. Before that, I will enable the guideline to make sure that tap on it, go to position and adjust it. Mark it. Okay. Now I'll go and lock this. Tap on the plus icon again. Alright, we say original wristwatch for me. We sell original wristwatch. Uh-uh. Wristwatch for men. Carefully selected for style. Carefully selected for style. Durability and everyday use. Okay. Now move down to font. I'm going to that font is a family font. So I'm going to use the smaller one. Medium. Oh, and regular. Yes, reduce the size. Reduce the size. Place it here. We are good to go. Mark it. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Yeah, so the next thing we're going to do is to write this stuff. I'm going to copy this one, copy it and change the color to black color. Okay, now Change this one, write the necessary things needed. Original wristwatch, classic, classic and modern designs, nationwide delivery, classic and modern design, nationwide delivery. Okay, alright, now increase the size a little, lock it, copy it again, change it to what we offer, and use a bold font. Semi bold is okay. Alright, now adjust it and lock. What else? The phone number. So how do we go about it? There is something here. I'll show you exactly how I was able to achieve it. But before then, let us add our phone number. Copy this, change the color to white, and edit it to any number at all, abeg. Don't mind me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good. Increase it and adjust it a little. Mark it, lock it. Now the next thing I'm going to do, this is the layer, okay? This is where you can see all the things you have been uploading in this app. Now I'll click on this plus icon, click on from gallery. I'll come here, done, mark it. Now this is a shape, so if you are here before, just tap here so that you can work with it. Hope you understand. Now go to erase color, enable it, increase the tolerance, mark it, go to color, change it to white color, and reduce the size. You can use this thing at the top to zoom it. Then go back. So I'll show you how I created that stuff. I'll just delete this one because you are done with what you are using it for. Click on plus icon, click on shape, click on here, click this one, go to plus icon, click on that plus, sorry, go to gradient, pick the plus, come here, click on this place. After clicking here, click on this place, increase this to white, right, mark it, and for this part, click here, increase it to white, and at the same time make it transparent. Okay, I'm going to move this thing upside down to be like this. Okay, now reduce it a bit, mark it, turn it upside down, place it here, move down to opacity, reduce the opacity, to like 25. Mark it. Now click on layer, press hold this stuff, move down, move down to here, lock it. You can see we are good to go. I can copy it, come to edit, just just to play around with it. I can place it here, copy another one, drop it here. Good, lock it. So this is how I was able to achieve this. Alright, we can bring this two down, the four wristwatch. Tap here, bring it down a little bit. Okay, and this one too. Tap here, click on position, bring it down. So looking beautiful, right? Now if you're not done with this, you can come here, click here and save as a project. You can type anything that you want, or you type it with your original name, but I prefer you to write it with something that you can just the original name, wristwatch, Rosley, anything at all. Okay, but I'm not saving it because I'm done with it already. Okay, click here at this place, then tap on dimension, change the dimension to ultra and save it to your gallery. We are going to enhance this picture, we are going to edit it on Snapseed. I should have taken you guys round with Lightroom, but no, for the sake of the beginners, we are just going to start with Snapseed. Okay, Lightroom is for advanced editing. Sorry, this is the design I created for the company I'm working with as their graphic designer. So you saw where I clicked my hands on, here on tools, tap on tools, go to details, increase it to like 20, increase this one to look very sharp, mark it, then go to tone image, shadow, reduce the shadow, go to saturation, just 8, doesn't have to be much, highlight a little, mark it. Now this is the before and this is after. Look at our watch, before, after. You can see the difference. Yeah, if you want to save this, click on export here, tap on export, tap here, export. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in our next class.